Good morning, children. Welcome to online class of 8th standard English. Last session, as you know, completed of a reading, the cat and blanket. After that, just we have discussed grammar. As per the is of your textbook, phrase, noun phrase in opposition. Phrase, noun phrase in opposition. Just what is a phrase? First, what is a phrase? Now look at the children. Take your notes and note down the definition of the phrase and some more examples. Look at the blackboard. Look at the children here. Look at me. Now, what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words. Phrase is a group of words. As you know, sentence is a group of words. Proper combination of words gives a complete meaning. Is called a sentence. Like that, phrase is a group of words which does not give a complete sense. Which does not give a complete sense is called phrase. Now look at the children. Examples. In the beginning, the God has created world. But in the beginning is phrase. On the behalf of, this is the phrase in a loud voice. Now look at the children example. See that the sun rises in the morning. The sun rises in the morning. In this sentence, now find out the phrase. What is the phrase here? Phrase is a group of words which does not give a complete meaning or complete sense. Now children, in the morning, it doesn't give any sense, complete sense. It gives a sense. It's a part, something, but it does not give a whole meaning or whole sense. The sun rises in the morning. In the morning is a phrase. Sarah is speaking in a loud voice. In a loud voice is a phrase. It gives a meaning but does not give a complete sense. It is called phrase. Children, note down these examples and so here is a phrase and definitions. Okay. Now children, we know phrase, definition and examples. Next, look at it. Here is noun phrase. Second one is here noun phrase. As you know, noun is a naming word. It denotes name of person, name of places, names of things. As you know, in some sense. Here, noun phrase. Noun phrase means here 2 more nouns, 3 more nouns. Here is a combination of 2 or 3 more nouns. Describing here. Now, a phrase having a noun before or after. A noun before after. Here is phrase, noun before or after. Now look at the example. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man. Once again, she saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man. In this example, what did she saw? She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man. Here, A is here article, indefinite article. Here bald, adjective. How is the man? He is bald. Next, fat is also adjective. How is the man? Man is also, here is noun. How is the man? Fat, adjective. Next, here, how is the man? Middle-aged man. Middle-aged man also adjective. Here group of adjectives 1, 2, 3. These are all adjectives describing the man. Here describing the noun. So now children, she saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man means here describing the noun. To give more additions. For example, here is in the above sentence, the word man, here this is a noun, is important, and all other words add more information to the word. Here these all words, what are those words? A, one. Second one, bald. Third one, fat. Fourth one, middle-aged. These 4 words should be added and should be give more information to the noun. This is called noun phrase. This is called noun phrase. Now some examples like the children of our lesson, first lesson A reading, Gopi's eldest sister. Here Gopi noun and here is sister. Noun phrase. Her wrinkled face. Her wrinkled face. Here they. Her grating voice. Her grating voice. Nambiar's eldest daughter. So these are noun phrases. These are noun phrases. A phrase having a noun before or after. This is called a noun phrase. Children, note down this definition of your notes. Next, children, noun phrase in apposition. Noun phrase in apposition. So here is, as you know, noun phrase means two or more nouns. So before or after phrase. So here what is noun phrase in apposition? Just a little simple thing here. It is a noun phrase, as you know, noun phrase which is kept immediately after another noun phrase. So having two noun phrases, simply having two noun phrases in a particular sentence is known as noun phrase in apposition. Here is, it is a noun phrase which is kept immediately after another noun phrase. After another noun phrase. When we use two noun phrases next to each other, when we use two noun phrases, as you know, one noun phrase and another noun phrase, examples is that, and they refer to the same person or place called noun phrase in apposition. Now look at children examples. This example, Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow got up reluctantly. Here is Kamala, a noun. Her eldest daughter, noun phrase. Here is noun phrase. A widow got up reluctantly. A widow also noun phrase. So children, look at Kamala, noun. Her eldest daughter, noun phrase. A widow got up reluctantly. Another noun phrase. This is one noun phrase and this is second noun phrase. Whereas in noun phrase apposition, one after another, it kept immediately, which is called noun phrase in apposition. Simply children, two noun phrases in a particular sentence describing a noun. Here is Kamala, her eldest daughter, noun phrase, one noun phrase. Second one is a widow, got up reluctantly. Reluctantly has no meaning. Unwillingly. This is the example of noun phrase in apposition. Children, some more examples of your textbook. Let me explain some more examples of your textbook. Your textbook is there. That is some more examples of your textbook. So, how we are going to write a noun phrase in apposition. Noun phrase in apposition. Okay? See children, textual examples of noun phrase in apposition. Okay? Now look at the first example. Mahesh is my elder brother. He lives in Delhi. Mahesh is my elder brother. He lives in Delhi. Now look at the children. Noun phrase apposition means here is, we should write only noun here. Phrase of noun. Mahesh is noun. Here is my elder brother. In this particular phrase, is there. You don't write is. Only phrase, noun phrase only. Don't write helping verbs. My elder brother. Mahesh, here is my elder brother. My elder brother. Enough. Lives in Delhi. The answer is over. Once again I explain. You should take pencil. Note down, that is question to answer. Here answer, how do we write answer? Mahesh is my elder brother. He lives in Delhi. This is example. In this sentence, Mahesh is noun, elder brother is noun, Delhi also noun. Delhi also noun. Mahesh, the blank here is my elder brother, blank, lives in Delhi. So Mahesh, comma. Here noun phrase opposition means here two phrases of noun. Two noun phrases. Here is my elder brother. My elder brother lives in Delhi. This is the first question. Second question, children. Sarojini Naidu is popularly known as the Nightingale of India. She wrote many poems in English. As you know, she was the greatest poetess in Indian English literature. Sarojini Naidu is popularly known as the Nightingale of India. She wrote many poems in English. So here question. Now look at the children. Sarojini Naidu is noun. Use here is comma. Here is she wrote many poems in English. But Sarojini Naidu is popularly known as the Nightingale of India. Here is popularly. Is helping verb. Don't write. Popularly. Popularly adverb. Here is it. So known as the Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu called Nightingale of India. It was her title. So that we should write here Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale. Here only noun phrase only. Don't write verb. Here is popularly. This sentence is verb. So don't go. Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India. This is only noun phrase. So Sarojini Naidu, noun, the Nightingale of India, wrote many poems in English. Children, in this way, you have to take two other examples of your textbook of first lesson, textual grammar. Go through that. Just I did two examples how to do in noun phrase and apposition. As you know, first let you know the meaning of phrase, and second one what is noun phrase, and later finally what is noun phrase in apposition. Once again I repeat. Children, what is a phrase? Phrase is a combination of words which does not give a complete sense. It gives a complete, does not give a sense, it gives a complete part of a sense. In the very beginning is there on behalf of, for the sake of, is a phrase. Next one, noun phrase means having there is a noun. In the phrase we found the noun is there. Next one is noun phrase apposition means noun phrase kept immediately another noun phrase in a particular sentence. Here is a describing the noun. So this is a noun phrase in apposition. It is given example of two examples of textbook. Remaining examples you have to do your textbook and take your completion of this. You should take your material, open your material and read complete the question and answers of first lesson. Tattered blanket, already explanation is over. Vocabulary you should know and learn, and do some examples of here is noun phrase appositions, two more examples, and next class we should go to next poem. Is there? Okay, children, one more thing. Finally, ultimately, I have to say, what is that? Do you guess? That is, stay home. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. You have to stay at your home. It's very safe to you and your family. Okay, children. Thank you.